in a whole new way. Toothless, are those wing gliders here already? I'm still working on a launcher. I almost forgot the wings. For a wing glider, that is clearly the most important part. When you fly like this, you'll see Berk better than any dragon could. And without all the slaughter. Toothless, you know what's the important part of a wing glider? Wings! We'll save you. Stay calm, count to 10. If you better make that one. You're doing great. Why are there always sheep? Well, the good news is you all get to see a gronkle nest up close. The bad news is gronkle eggs explode when they hatch. Looks like there's a way out up ahead.
I feel like I'm about to go back.
And now you're trapped in the exploding gronkle nest. Can this get any worse? Yeah, it's worse. It's officially worse.
No, no, no!
Here we go. And this is why I love dragons. You're one special wing. Toothless and I had trouble keeping up with you. I hope you'll be back soon because we can't wait to head out flying with you again. Isn't that right, bud? Am I smelling cod? You better not have eaten my dinner. You know, I was saving that, Toothless.